Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you one trick to check that if someone read your text messages on your Android device. So we can check it by one simple trick. Just open the settings. Now go to the screen time and parental control. Then you can see that I have messages, so tap on it. And now switch your range time to the hourly. And now if someone reading your text messages when you was out of the phone, maybe outside or on your bedroom, you will see everything here with the hours of day. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.